Other people put something in there. Crankshaft pulley. Yeah, it doesn't make that like too much of a noise now. Yeah. It is kind of wobbly. Alright, you can then shut it off and then get the tools out. Let's start working on this thing. This nice Jaguar.
So
yeah, I'm used to rain, you know, and stuff. So, what, you forgot?
no,
I got that thing.
No, I know, but let me see if I find it.
Yeah. It's good that you have the wheel locks, because in Chicago here they like to steal wheels. You know? I've seen so many stolen wheels here. It's crazy, man. People have nothing to do, you know?
Okay.
Gonna be changing this harmonic balancer. Okay.
Why? Oh, okay. Well, why you can't stay over there?
Grab my.
Why make that down?
Okay. 3/8 ratchet here. Under the car, 3/8 ratchets right there. You pull it down and then you loosen the belt. Okay. Loosen this bad boy up. Alright guys, so I had to lower this pretty much almost to the floor because my breaker bar is so short. So it's touching the ground over there. And I have a 18mm on the bolt. And right now, we're just gonna crank the engine a little bit and it should loosen up. Okay.
What it does?
Yeah, go ahead, and then when I tell you to crank it, and then I will tell you shut it off, just shut it off. Okay. Just crank it a little and just shut it off, okay? Hold on. Okay, try it. Okay, stop, 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 stop. That's it. Yeah.
That was quick, huh?
That's it, she's loose.
That was the trick I learned.
Okay. That's my bolt. Okay. Right there. And I'm gonna see how easy she's gonna come out. This is out. Carefully pry on it a little. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Just leave it like that. I'm gonna keep going like this.
Yeah, because it's tilted sideways, you sure?
Yeah, it is.
So, I saw it moving too much. Yeah. See? That's a play on it. There we go. You gotta move the ball out, I think. No.
No. It's almost out there.
Yes! We made it happen, baby. A little hard work, but you know,
yeah.
we invented something.
Yep. So you have the new one. Let's see the new one. How the new one looks like. Hopefully it's the right one.
Yes, yeah.
This one they put. Yeah, they put this thing.
See, this one doesn't have also
the what?
The grooves.
Oh. Yeah, there we go. looks good. All right.
I was like, let's get the hooks first and then we connect.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.